eigenlijk te leren om heel hard te slaan. Zodat je leert om snelheid te maken. Vroeger sloeg ik daarom de bal best wel vaak links en rechts. Maar heb ik wel heel erg geleerd om snelheid te maken. Daardoor nu hoef ik eigenlijk nooit volledig op 100% te slaan. Heb ik heel erg geleerd.
Thing is, club head speed obviously is very important for getting distance, potential distance, but actually it's very hard to increase. So it's hard to increase unless you can work at the technique a little bit, but maybe the gym is the best place to do this. What we like to do with our students is actually focus very much on where the contact is on the face. So if you can get a good solid contact, your ball speed will then jump up, which will actually give you the distance that you actually are more after. So that, you know, maybe we can get that 240 and actually knock it up a little bit.
It's more about optimizing the distance rather than trying to increase the speed of the club. You know, if we can optimize it by making you more efficient, you're going to be more consistent and hitting it further.
Definitely.
Okay, what is that? Well, in its most basic form, smash factor is a calculation between club head speed and ball speed. And what you need to know is the higher that number is, the higher the ratio is, the better. So 1.5 would be like the ideal, the gold standard when it comes to smash factor. Got two examples. The first example here, I had a club head speed of just over 102 miles an hour, but the smash factor was 1.49, almost perfect. I hit that golf ball almost in the exact sweet spot to maximize my distance. That ball carried over 265 yards in the air. The second one actually had a higher swing speed, 103 miles, just over 103 miles an hour, so almost a mile and a half per hour faster, but the smash factor was only 1.45. Okay, that ball only carried about 224 yards. So even though the second swing had more club head speed, the ball did not carry as far. So what is
So that was a pretty solid strike right there. So if we look at that, that was a centered strike, and if we come over to the machine, we had 104 mile-an-hour club head speed. It represented 270 yards of total distance with a ball speed of 154 miles per hour. Now, let's see what it's like if I hit one a little bit differently in the heel. So that shot was clearly heeled. If we take a look at where the impact was, it was barely on the face there. Now, most of the folks I coach, this is the kind of impact relationships we're dealing with. Now, that club head speed was 98.7. I could have swung that a little bit faster. The ball speed was reduced to 20 miles an hour. Now, ball speed, 1 mile an hour in ball speed basically represents 2 yards in total distance. So it's very, very critical that we get centered contact on the driver. A little